So May 4th and the Kentucky Derby are on the same day this year. So what should we do? We could make 2 drinks, but why not combine them and make one to celebrate both events since it's on the same day? Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. Today is an extra special drink day because we're celebrating both the Kentucky Derby and May the 4th be with you. They both land on the same Saturday this year, so I'm going to use the official drink of the Kentucky Derby, the mint julep, and mash it up with a dark Vader drink. I will leave a link for the original cocktails in the description below. Cocktail quiz time! The Kentucky Derby is the oldest continuously held major US sporting event. What was the first year the event was held? Well, I will be doing it live with Baker Drinks and Carlos from the Whiskey Corner on May 4th. It is going to be awesome. It is the live you're looking for. If you're watching this video after that date, I will leave a link for it right here. If you're liking these videos, please click on that like button and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm only a few hundred away from 2,222 subscribers, and when I hit that, I am doing a massive bottle giveaway. You won't want to miss it. Alright, let's start making the mashup to celebrate the Kentucky Derby and Star Wars days. I'm calling this May the Horse Be With You. May the Horse Be With You ingredients. 1 ounce black rum, 1.5 ounces bourbon, ½ ounce creme de cacao, 1/4 ounce demerara simple syrup, some mint leaves, 2 dashes chocolate bitters, 1 dash mint bitters. Alright, to make this I do have HRH back in the house.
I'm back.
And she wanted to be part of the Star Wars, so of course I let her, and she has a special dress just for this, and some special ears. Yeah.
Specifically dark side video.
Yeah, this is
the light side, I don't know.
Why the dark side?
It has cookies, so.
Dark side has cookies. According to her, dark side has cookies. That's why to join the dark side.
Twisted by the dark side, young Skywalker has become.
This is a special drink because it's not only a Star Wars drink, but it's also a Kentucky Derby drink. So know what I called this one?
What?
May the Horse Be With You.
Oh, I like it. That's cute.
This one's gonna be made in a mixing glass, and we're gonna start off with ½ ounce of creme de cacao. There you go. We got our Vanna White going here.
How can she be Vanna White?
Is it 3 shots of vodka? Just as that video?
No, it's not that video. Look at how precise she is. Being a pharmacist, she measures everything precisely. So the next thing we're gonna add is a 1/4 ounce of demerara simple syrup. Okay. It's a 1-to-1 syrup. She doesn't have to open these kind of caps in the pharmacy. It's the other tricky ones that you have to push down, not this guy.
No, it's perfect. We'll just cap that one later.
Now we're gonna add 2 dashes of chocolate bitters.
Chocolate bitters.
Yep, I really like this chocolate bitters. Adds a lot of flavor, so it's gonna bring out that chocolate in this drink. No, those are not dashes. Give me a bigger dash than that. All right, that works.
I love chocolates.
We're only gonna add 1 dash of mint bitters, so 1 on this one, because mint bitters is actually very strong, so it can take over the drink pretty quickly. A dash. All right, do one more little drop like that. That's not a true dash.
You know what? I don't dash in the pharmacy.
Apparently not.
I pour.
Dash away, boys. Dash away.
Next, we're going to start adding the spirits. So it starts off with 1 ounce of black rum. And this is part of the Vader drink. That remember, this is a mashup of the Vader drink and the mint julep.
Ooh, it smells really good.
All right.
I added extra of everything else, so.
Yeah. So 2 full ounces of the bourbon, and we're using a double oak, so we can add some more flavor to that this time as well. So Peerless Double Oak is a very good one. If you don't have that one that's pretty easy to find is Woodford Double Oak. I love that one too. I don't have any of that on hand today. So a full 2 ounces. So we want the bourbon to stand out in this drink as well. All right, so now we're gonna add some ice to this bad boy. You get to stir. All right, so now we're gonna make the drink in the glass, right? So special little Star Wars glass for this one. And we're gonna get the mint, and we're gonna just spank the mint a little bit, and then we're gonna take it and put it here in the bottom. Now, do you do compound? You've done compounding before, but you don't do that in your pharmacy, right?
Magic mouthwashes.
There you go. Magic. You're gonna muddle the mint just slightly muddle it. You want to break it up a little bit, but you don't want to overdo this either. Make sure you get all of them in there. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Now we're gonna add the large ice in there. Nice big large clear ice, and we're gonna put that right in the glass. Go ahead and strain that into the drink. Well, that's a new way of doing it, but okay. Have any of you ever seen it strained this way?
You know, it's like the generation thing. Like, how do you do a cell phone?
Oh yeah, you know. How do you answer a phone? I do this, and how do you answer a phone?
It's a flip phone.
Yeah, so you do.
You open it, right?
And I do this.
Even
So
that's
it's got to be one of those
outdated.
generation things.
So that must be a generation thing.
Just to garnish it, you get another mint sprig, and you kind of just spank it, and you put that right on top. And that's why I used that ice there. So perfect.
Nice.
And there you have it. The May the Horse Be With You old-fashioned cocktail quiz time. The Kentucky Derby is the oldest continuously held major U.S. sporting event. What was the first year the event was held? Answer: the first Kentucky Derby race took place on May 17th, 1875. Let's just move this to the side because it's just going to get on our nose right now, right? That's a garnish, just to look pretty, you know? That's what I have you here for. You're my garnish for the video.
Exactly.
So, all right. Ladies first, go ahead.
Wow. So I taste like a little bit of like oaky, but then it goes straight to brown sugar really quick. And the mint helps. I taste the mint in it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a quick smoking, but that brown sugar is very prominent.
See, and I think it's not it's what you're tasting is brown sugar is actually probably the chocolate.
Chocolate.
Oh.
So if you keep it there, you can kind of taste the chocolate. It's like because you took a small sip. Take another sip of it, and then I think you'll get that more of that chocolate flavor there. But it's not overpowering either. Like you're saying, it's almost like a little bit of a brown sugar.
Wow. That's super good.
So what we're doing is a mint julep with a Vader mashup, so that we get the Star Wars Kentucky Derby in one drink.
I like that.
Yeah, so it works out very well. I think it's very well balanced. I like the chocolate. I was trying to go more for that, you know, like when you go to the restaurant and they give you that mint chocolate candy. That's what I was kind of trying to do with this. I thought, wow, that's a good way we can do. That's why I added more mint. That's why I added more chocolate to do that without it being overpowering, but you still taste the flavors of the drink. So I really do like this.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I agree. So
Another reason why to come to the dark side. We make good drinks.
I hope you enjoyed this drink. I know we did. Now, tomorrow is a big day to celebrate both Star Wars and watch the longest sporting event in U.S. history, the Kentucky Derby. I will be on a live tomorrow with Baker's Drinks and Whiskey Corner, so I hope to see you there. There will also be more Star Wars cocktails tomorrow night, and if you haven't seen them, I have past Star Wars cocktails as well, so I will leave a link to those right here.
Thank you for joining us on another journey down our old-fashioned rabbit hole. Till next time, my friends, cheers, and may the force be with you. But only if you're the dark side. Other than that, no.
He said, you've turned to the dark side.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks.
Yeah. Always happens. It's a 1-to-1 syrup. So start till chilled.
It'll get there eventually.
I assume you don't start in the pharmacy either, huh?
No, we do not. Oh, look at that. It's supposed to be a little too soon.
Well, that's a new way of doing it, but okay.
It is straining.
It is. It is. I'm not going to say it's not.
Wait. I'm already going.
It's
Wait, I don't want to smile.
Pictures. Yeah, do your mad face.